Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact the Ledger support. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Ledger Live application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Ledger Live if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom left corner, as you can see, we have the wallet. We have the Earn, Discover, and My Ledger. And also in the middle of the screen, as you can see, you can go buy a device, send, receive, buy, sell, stake, and swap crypto. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact the Ledger support. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So to contact Ledger support, you can dial the +1 877 451 3284 or email the support@ledger.com. You can go and visit the official website where you can go and find the help center, but when you're on the application, you can go and click to the top right corner on the gear icon when you're in the wallet section, so in the first tab. Here, as you can see in the, again, top right corner, you have a question mark, where, as you can see, you have the second option, which is Ledger support. So you have a couple of options here, their Twitter, their GitHub, etc. But you just need to go and click on Ledger support, which will, of course, connect you to their support via your Safari or Google Chrome. That will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as, guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.